video will be the use of base 10 blocks when doing subtraction problems. So if you haven't watched the overview video, please watch that first. So it's important to remember that the purpose of base 10 blocks is to provide a tool or resource to aid students' understanding. It is not meant to replace using a traditional algorithm. So when students use these base 10 blocks to subtract, they should also be practicing writing out their work or seeing it written by an adult. So again, here's a review. We have the flats, which represent 100, the rods, which represent 10, and the cubes, which represent 1. We're going to do an example now. So here is 45 minus 29. So here I have the traditional algorithm written out. And again, it's important for the students to see this and make that connection. So the student should start by modeling 45. They have 4 10s and 5 1s with the blocks, and this should be written out vertically to indicate that first we're going to be subtracting the 1s and then the 10s. At this point, it is helpful to get them started by prompting, can we take 9 1s away if we only have 5 1s here? And just like with addition, the 10s and 1s can be regrouped, but this time we're going to go in the opposite direction. So one of my 4 10s can be changed out and replaced with 10 1s. Okay, and that's what we're doing when we do this. Okay, so it's important for the students to make that connection. You can have them count out the 1s if they don't believe this number 15. Okay, now we have 15 1s and we can subtract 9 and we are left with 6. And now we just have the 3 10s and we're subtracting 2 10s, and there we are. We're left with our answer 110 plus 6 1s, or 16. Of course, with larger numbers, hundreds flats should be used. So subtraction requires much more practice in modeling than addition, and it's normal for subtraction to take days or weeks longer to master. So children that are particularly struggling with addition or subtraction might require more deliberate practice with switching out those 10s blocks. So even just not giving them a subtraction problem, but having them regroup the number 45, for example, into the 3 10s plus the 15 1s. They might require more practice until mastery is reached.